Good morning class 7. Welcome back to our online class. So we were in the chapter algebraic expressions, chapter number 12. We have done certain questions of the exercise yesterday. Today also we will do some questions from exercise 12.3. Okay. Pay attention. Question number 5, the third part. Find the value of this expression 2a square b plus 2ab square plus ab when a equal to 0 and b equal to minus 1. Substitute these values in the expression. Expression is 2a square b plus 2ab square plus ab. See children, 2a square b, it's actually a product. 2 multiplied by a square multiplied by b. Okay, so you know very well. Substitute the values. A equal to 0 and b equal to minus 1. 2 into 0 का square 0, b is minus 1 plus 2 into a is 0 minus 1 का square plus a is 0, 0 multiplied by minus 1. Now, you don't have to continue the multiplication when you have 0 as one of the factors. So, 0 into anything, it's 0. So, 0 plus 0 plus 0, this turns out to be 0. Next, if z equal to 10, find the value of z cube minus 3 into z minus 10. What is z? Z is 10. So 10 cube minus 3 into 10 minus 10. 10 cube, 10 into 10 into 10. That is 1000. Minus 10 minus 10 is 0. 0 multiplied by 3, 0. 1000 minus 0, 1000. Okay. Next. The question says, simplify this expression and find its value if a equal to 5 and b equal to minus 3. Let us first open the brackets and see what can be simplified. So 2 into a square is 2a square plus 2 into ab is 2ab plus 3 minus ab. Now this turns out to be 2a square. Is there any term of a square? No. So 2a square. Next you have, don't write plus or minus, we don't know what we are going to get. 2ab. Any other term of ab? Yes, minus ab. 2ab minus ab is positive ab. Then constant plus 3. There is no other term left. So we have simplified. This is the simplest form of this expression. Now we have to find its value when a is 5 and b is minus 3. Substitute the values. 2 into 5 square plus a is 5 and b is minus 3 plus 3. Now what is 5 square? 5 into 5 is 25. 25 multiplied by 2, 50. Now 5 into minus 3, minus 15 plus 3. 50 minus 15 is 35 plus 3. What do we get? 38. This is the answer. This is how you solve the question. See children, you can have n number of questions which are based on finding the values. For example, I'll give you some questions. These are not in your textbooks, but you may encounter such questions. Length of a rectangle is x square plus 2x and its breadth is y square minus 5x. Okay. Find its area when x is equal to 2 and y equal to 4. Right? So we know that area of a rectangle is L into B. Length is in terms of an algebraic expression x square plus 2x multiplied by breadth. What is breadth? Y square minus 5y. Y square minus 5x, sorry. Substitute the values of x and y. What is x? X equal to 2. So 2 square plus 2 into 2. Directly write the answer. 2 square is 4 plus 2 into 2, 4 multiplied by y square. What is y? 4. 4 square is 16 minus x is 2. 5 into 2, 10. 4 plus 4, 8 multiplied by 16 minus 10, 6. 8 into 6, 48 square units. Y square is because it is area. Got it? So we can have, see children, as you will move ahead in your higher classes, these algebraic expressions, they tend to become more complex, more complicated. So some identities will also be introduced, some other things will be introduced, application, how to use an algebraic expression, what are different applications of an algebraic expression, what identities can be introduced, how they can be introduced. So you will learn all these things gradually, right? But one thing is for sure, algebraic expressions are of huge importance in mathematics, right? So we will discuss some more questions in the next class.